Let's talk about specs, as in spec ads or ad ideas that you can present to a potential advertiser to give them an example of how they can advertise. Spec ads sell, period. You can increase your close rate to 70 to 90% by simply selling with a spec ad, but so many people don't use them. Here are some great reasons why you should. They can be a conversation starter when approaching a new business to get that foot in the door. They make a good starting point. There's no pressure on your advertiser to have to think of an idea. And it can also result in less revisions and back and forth between you and the client and the designer. For established clients, use a spec ad to upsell to color or to a larger size. Offer a design change to freshen things up and draw more attention to the ad. If they only run print ads, use spec ads to show digital options. And spec ads are a great way to reconnect with inactive accounts. A lot of you will say that it takes too long to get spec ads made. Well, that's where Metro comes in. Did you know that as a Metro subscriber, you have thousands of spec ads at your fingertips? You don't have to wait for anybody to do anything. Just dive into Metro and start printing ads. They don't have to be perfect in every detail. You're just showing a general idea to get a conversation started. Once you meet with the client, they'll give you all the details that they want to be in the ad, and then you can get your designer involved to finish it up as a sold ad. Where can you find all these wonderful spec ads? I'm so glad you asked. Our online Searchbook lets you quickly peruse all of the ad ideas and images too that are new for the month, just like flipping through an online magazine. Use keywords in the sales tools area to search our entire database and print out generic print and digital spec ads. So many different types of ads, from simple retail ads to full page multiple advertiser to contests and everything in between. In the My Ad Wizard, you can also search for print and digital ads, but you can take it a step further and add your client's contact information and logo to the ad. You can also adjust the size and create multiple ad presentations, all just using your web browser with an internet connection. Metro also has our own ad production service called Ads on Demand, so if you need more help, we can create custom print and digital ads with an overnight turnaround. You won't find ads in our planning and promotions calendar, but you'll find events and ideas for promotions to include in the ads, which can give businesses more reasons to advertise. So stay with me and I'll go over where you can find each of these features and the basics of how to use them. You can find more detailed tutorials for each of them on our video tutorial page. Let's start with the last thing on our list, the planning and promotions calendar. Since it's a planning tool, you'll want to use it before you even start looking for your spec ads. You can find it by clicking the calendar menu from anywhere on our site, and then select the month that you want to plan for. Use the list of bestsellers to put together a prospect list. Then look to the daily, weekly, and monthly events for timely events that your local businesses can promote in their ads, giving them more reasons to advertise. The Searchbook is an easy way to see the newest images, cover designs, ideas, and all of those ads that you're about to start selling. We upload content every week, and the Searchbook lets you quickly peruse all of that material that's new for the month. Look for the link to the Searchbook in the top left corner of our site or on any of the splash pages. There's a Searchbook for most of our services, and you can preview any of them, but you'll only be able to access the content for the services that are part of your subscription. The Metro newspaper service is the main service, and the print and digital ad packages Searchbook is included with the Metro newspaper service. That shows all the new print ads in the service with their coordinating digital ads. So just click on the cover to preview it. And you can share the Searchbook with prospective advertisers just by copying the URL at the top of the page and then pasting it into an email. You can also download the Searchbook as a PDF for offline viewing or printing. And then just click the edge of the page to flip through the book and see everything that's new, get ideas, and so much inspiration. And when you see something that you like, just click the page and it will take you directly into the Creative Library where you'll see all the images and the ads from that page. And you can hover over any of them to print out a preview and present it to your client. Our Sales Tools library houses everything that's in the Searchbook in an always growing online database. You can access it through the Sales Tools link on the homepage, under the search menu from anywhere on the site, Or if you're already in the site, you can click the Sales tab. Be sure to take a few minutes to explore the links on the splash page. You'll find links to the calendar, Searchbooks, Wizard, sales ideas, and also quick links to popular types of ads. You can search using a Metro file name or keywords. And since this video is all about ads, make sure that you select spec ads and covers from the search source menu. But feel free to look through the images too. You can always present your advertiser with alternate image choices to use in an ad template, or find several images and suggest that your advertiser run a campaign with a different image in each ad. You'll also find other filters here to narrow your search. The print ad type menu is helpful for finding specific types of ads: contests, multiple advertiser layouts, self-promotional ads, and top ad sales prospects, just to name a few. Hover over an ad for previewing options. You can also collect ideas and add them to your Lightbox or project organizer to review or share at a later time. Click the Open in My Ad Wizard icon to open the ad directly in the wizard for customizing if the wizard is part of your subscription. If you're trying to boost digital sales, you can search for static web ads by selecting Web Mobile. Or for coordinating print and digital campaigns, select Print with Web Mobile. These will bring up the print ads, and then you'll click the W and scroll down to view the web and mobile options. You can also search our archive of Plus Business stories. These are success stories from our customers that you can tweak to implement in your own market. Also ideas and training pages, which include tips for using our site and services, and you can search for other sales ideas. If your Metro subscription includes the My Ad Wizard, you can take spec ads a step further by adding your client's contact information and even a logo to any of the single advertiser ad templates available in the Wizard library. It's just 3 steps, and it's all done through your web browser. You can find the Wizard from anywhere on the site by using the search menu and selecting My Ad Wizard, or from the Sales Tools library splash page, or if you're already in the site, you can always click the My Ad Wizard tab. In step 1, you'll choose an existing advertiser from the list, or click to create a new one, and you can also upload a logo if you want to include it in the ad. In step 2, search by Metro file name or keywords, and click an ad to select it. Then in step 3, if you want to further customize it, click Customize for the options, like adding the logo to the ad, changing the size, and more. You can then save your ad to a presentation, which can include one ad or multiple ads, and then share it with your client as a low-res PDF by email, or you can print it. When coordinating digital ads are available for a template, click Add Options to select a digital size. If the wizard is not already part of your subscription, contact us for a free trial. Ads on Demand is our overnight ad production service. With our online ad tracking system, you can submit an order with the details of what you need, and we'll build it to your client's specs, so every ad is completely custom. Or we can just put the finishing touches on a Metro template that you found in the sales library or started in the wizard. We can also create digital ads, static, animated, interactive, and all with an overnight turnaround and unlimited revisions. There is a per ad fee, but no monthly minimums, quantity commitments, or additional contracts are required. Access is on a request-only basis, and we do offer a free trial. We are here to help. We have detailed videos for almost everything I've gone over. To find them, go to our support menu and select video tutorials. And you can expand any of the areas to find the related videos. Check out our forum as a way to communicate with us and other customers, get ideas, share ideas, and ask questions. We love it when you share your finished products with us too. Did you know that we take art and ad requests? If there's something you can't find, you can let us know through the forum or contact our client services team. We also offer live interactive training webinars, and you can see what we have coming up by selecting live training webinars from the support menu. Even if you can't make it to one of our webinars, register anyway, and you'll get a link to the recording the following day. or we can set up one-on-one training for you or your whole staff. Spec ads sell, and Metro makes it easy for you to always have the spec ads you need to close a sale through our search books, the sales tools library, My Ad Wizard, and Ads on Demand. We want everyone in sales to get set up with their own Metro login. Call us, email us, or if you're a Metro admin user, you can check to see who has access by going to the My Account link and then to Manage User Accounts. You can even add and remove users from there. There's no limit to the number of users you can have and no additional charge. Making sure that we have updated email addresses for everyone is also important so that you don't miss out on our weekly emails that are full of ideas and inspiration and anything new that's coming up. If you do miss any, you can find the archive under the sales menu and go to email and communications. If you need help updating users, have questions, need technical support, want to set up a trial or schedule training, please contact Metro's client services team at 800-223-1600 or email us at service@metro-email.com.